Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious flautas de rajas con queso. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 4 chile poblanos, 2 roma tomatoes, 1/2 of a white onion, a small bunch of cilantro, 3 chile serranos, 2 garlic cloves, 1/2 of a lime, 3 avocados, small flour tortillas, your choice of cheese, crema mexicana, salt, and oil for frying. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by roasting our chile poblanos. So I'm just going to place them in my frying pan and set the stove on medium-high heat and just roast my chiles. So just make sure you rotate it so you can roast the whole chile poblano. Alright, so once my chile poblanos are fully roasted, I'm going to place them in a bowl and I'm going to cover them in foil. That's just going to help them sweat and it's just going to be easier for us to cut them. Alright, so for our avocado salsa, we're going to add our avocados in our blender. Oops, not that. Alright, so we're going to add 1/2 of the white onion, our bunch of cilantro, our 3 chile serranos, remove the stem, 2 garlic cloves, and we're going to squeeze out the lime juice out of our lime. We're going to add 1/2 cup of water and salt. So we're just going to blend everything together until we have a very smooth sauce. Alright guys, so once we have our smooth avocado salsa, we are ready to transfer into a bowl. Alright, so now you just want to taste it for salt. And this is our avocado salsa that we're going to be using for our flautas. Alright, so now we're going to start to work on our tomatoes and our onion. So we're just going to dice our tomatoes. Alright, so once we cut our tomatoes down, we're going to cut the other 1/2 of a white onion. Alright, so once we have our onions and tomatoes cut, we are ready to work on our chile poblanos. Alright, so just grab your chile and start peeling it. And you can use a napkin as well to make it a little easier on yourself. Alright, so after we peeled our chiles, we're going to cut them open. Just like that. We're going to remove this hard part. This right here, the stem. And the seeds. Or if you want to leave the seeds on, that's fine. But I'm going to remove them like that. It's okay, we leave some of it. And now we're just going to cut them into strips. And then I'm going to cut them in half. And you're going to do the same to all of our chile poblanos. Alright, so once we have our chile poblanos all cut down, we are ready to cook them. So in a large frying pan, I'm going to set it on medium-high heat. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. And once that heats up, we are going to throw in our onions, tomatoes, and chiles. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to throw everything in. And we're just going to season it with salt. And you can always add corn to your mixture as well. So we're just going to cook this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Alright, so after 3 minutes, we're going to remove our mixture out of the stove. And now we are ready to roll our flautas. Alright guys, so now we are ready to roll our flautas. And these are the tortillas that I'm using. They're super soft, so I don't have to microwave them before rolling. As you can see, they roll super easy without breaking. So now we are ready to stuff them. And I'm going to add my cheese in the middle. And then I'm going to add my chiles en rajas. And then roll it. And you can use toothpicks if it's easier for you. For me, this is going to be fine. So now we're just going to repeat the process. I did that one backwards. It's okay, it works both ways. These tortillas are a little bit big for the flautas, but it's okay. Alright guys, so once we have all of our flautas rolled up, this is what they look like. And it's okay, they're a little bit big. If you're able to find smaller tortillas, and that will be just as fine. Or if you want to use corn tortillas and make them into rolled taquitos, then it's going to taste just as delicious. So now that we have them all rolled, like I said, you can use toothpicks to make the frying process a little bit easier. But now we are ready to fry them. Alright, so in my large frying pan, I'm going to set it on medium-high heat. I'm going to add enough oil to cover the flautas. And once our oil is ready, we're going to start frying. Alright, so I'm going to add my flauta. And now we're just going to cook them until they turn into a beautiful golden color all around the flauta. And I'm going to lay them on the rolling side or on the edge. Alright, so once your flauta has turned into a beautiful golden color all around, we're going to remove it from the oil. Drain that excess oil. And set them in a kitchen towel so like that they can drain all the other, so you can drain all the excess oil. So now we're just going to repeat the process until we no longer have any flautas to fry. Alright guys, so now after we have our flautas all nicely cooked, we are ready to serve. Alright, so I'm going to grab my flauta and just cut it in half, just like that. It's okay, that's what they look like in the inside. And I'm going to grab a couple. Looks so good. Okay, I'm going to grab my plate. Okay, so we're going to place our flautas like that. I'm going to grab my crema mexicana. Drizzle it on top. Alright, so now we're going to grab our delicious avocado salsa and drizzle it on top as well. And then I'm going to grab some queso cotija and drizzle it on top. And of course, you can add lettuce, avocado, tomatoes, or anything you want on top. And this is basically our flautas de rajas. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
The taste test.
We are ready.
Yes.
So, after you.
Okay. Good.
Ready? Cheers. So go home. Seriously, delicious. If you like chile rellenos, you're going to love this. The salsa, it's so good. It's just perfect, you guys. And you know, for me, I believe that every taco, every flauta, everything has like a salsa, a special salsa for it. And this one is just perfect. Best combination ever. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make some delicious flautas de rajas con queso. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.